What's the best app for dropshipping? DSers and CJDropshipping are two of the most recommended apps on Shopify. But what are the differences between the two and what's best for you if you're just starting out? I'm gonna put DSers and CJDropshipping head to head so that you can make the best choice for your dropshipping business. For context, I'm David, I'm the COO and I head up marketing for the 8-figure brand YGN. And I run an influencer agency where we help brands grow faster by connecting them with awesome creators. I'm here to help you build your brand and get paid more to do the things that you love. Click the subscribe button below for more. Even though we're comparing the DSers app to CJDropshipping, they are really two different types of companies. DSers is an app that connects your Shopify store to AliExpress. It makes finding suppliers on AliExpress easier and cuts down on the manual work of fulfilling your orders. CJDropshipping is an AliExpress competitor. They have their own warehouses around the world and their own shipping times and their own lists of products. Which is best for you and your dropshipping business? Well, I'm gonna rank these two on the following criteria: their business model, their product selection, shipping options, brand personalization, and the website and app user experience. Let's talk about business model. These two platforms have very different business models and each has its own pro and con. Okay, so let's look at these two. So DSers is an app. It connects your Shopify store to AliExpress. So ultimately, the AliExpress suppliers are your suppliers. If we want to look at how DSers makes money, let's scroll down here to the managed subscription section. Now, DSers has a free tier, which I recommend. Right now, I'm set up on the basic plan. Now, if we want to change our plan, we can click on this link and you can see the different tiers of plans. So a $19.99 a month tier, a $49 a month plan, and a $499 a month plan. And you get different access to different features, such as bulk processing, the number of different stores that you can use with one account, product limit that you can import. This is where DSers makes its money. They give you a free tier to use their software. And then if you get more sophisticated or you have a larger team, with other features you might want to use, you'll have to upgrade. With CJDropshipping, there is no monthly fee for CJDropshipping. Where they make money is because they have warehouses around the world. You can see here, this is all the locations for their different warehouses. They make money on the shipping side of things. They also make a little bit of money by marking up the products. And then the other way that they make money is, depending on the products, there'll be a service fee. You don't pay anything to access the CJDropshipping app. So they're just a middleman in between you and all of the suppliers in Asia, and they make it a little bit easier for you to do all the things that you'll have to do for your dropshipping store in one place. So for business model, it's a toss-up. Both of them win. If you want to do more of the sourcing yourself directly with AliExpress vendors, DSers wins. If you want a more curated experience and you're willing to pay a little bit more on the margins for the benefit of accessing CJDropshipping's warehouses, shipping options, that model is better. So it's a toss-up. Let's talk about product selection. A lot of people think that as long as they have pretty graphics in their store, they'll be able to start making money right away. But the reality is, if you don't have the right products, you're not gonna make any sales. So let's take a look at how each of them handle product selection. DSers connects through AliExpress. So technically, you have the entire inventory that is available on AliExpress to access. They make it easy for you to find products and select the products that meet your criteria on AliExpress. So for example, if I wanted to look at only suppliers that ship from the United States, I can click here, and then I can also look at winning products from the United States, and then I can sort by the top orders. Being in the United States, this lets me select the full universe of suppliers on AliExpress that are selling products that I can get to my customers more quickly. On the other hand, CJDropshipping is their own supplier. They have warehouses across the world, and they have a set number of products that they carry in those warehouses. The benefit is that they have a more closed environment. You don't have all of AliExpress's inventory. However, if you did want to make a product request, you can make a request to the CJDropshipping team to carry this product. You usually have to wait for this product to be listed in CJ Dropshipping. This one goes to DSers if you want the full AliExpress suppliers. In a world where consumers expect next day or 2-day shipping times for your dropshipping business is critical. By offering faster shipping times, your brand can set itself apart from the thousands of other stores that are dropshipping. So how do these two platforms handle shipping times? With DSers, because it's on AliExpress, you get all of the suppliers. Say we looked at this product here and we want to see how long. So this is 4 to 13 days on USPS. But then if we wanted to go over here, say we want to look at this product, this says 7-day delivery in the US. And say we want to look at this product, 5-day delivery. So you can see that there are some fast shipping options for DSers if you want to get fast shipping to the US or to your country. With CJ Dropshipping, this works a little bit differently. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the US warehouse if you want to ship to the US. And then you're going to look at different categories. Let's look at this product here. Once you select, you can see the shipping fee is free. Estimated delivery time is 5 to 8 days. Let's take a look at a couple more. The estimated delivery time is 3 to 7 days. And then they show you the estimated shipping cost can be $7.49 to $18.30 depending on where it's shipping. And the estimated shipping time is 3 to 7 days. Let's take a look at one more. So on this one, it says 5 to 8 days. And there's no shipping cost for this product. So you can see there are different shipping options depending on the suppliers and depending on where they're shipping from. This one, I'd say, is a toss-up. Let's look at brand personalization. When you first start drop shipping, your product most likely will be coming from China. The packaging could also be in Chinese. If you're not selling in China, this could be a turnoff for your customer. And the poor experience might prevent those customers from coming back and purchasing more or sharing your brand through word of mouth with their friends and their family. So how you personalize your packaging can help your brand grow faster. If you're dropshipping, you're going to want to create a consistent brand. So there are certain touch points with the consumer where you want that to be consistent. The first one is when they receive your packaging and what that actually looks like. Now, because DSer's only job is to connect your store to the tens of thousands of suppliers on AliExpress, DSers doesn't offer any brand personalization at all with the packaging or where it's being shipped from or any other inserts or any type of user experience around the packaging. With CJ Dropshipping, you have more options here. So let's click on My CJ here. And then what you'll see here is you can buy the packaging and create a customized experience. And then once you've purchased it, you can see My Custom Packaging here. You can put your logo on it. And because CJ Dropshipping ships from one place, they'll do all of the fulfillment from the packaging, putting the product in the packaging, branding your packaging for you. They even make it easy for you to get photography for your products. So CJ Dropshipping, they solve more of the personalization challenges that you might have when you're just getting started with your brand. So the branding and personalization, CJ Dropshipping takes that one. The user friendliness of these two websites can literally save you hours each week. So which app is better for helping you run your dropshipping business in the day-to-day? Let's take a look at the website features and how easy it is to navigate the site. DSers has a simple first level of discovery of products. They have high profit selection, winning products, and they have these categories here that you can just pop into. You can also easily sort by where the product ships from. You can sort by order count, and it gives you a lot of different features to find winning products. Additionally, it has a really simple import function. So you just kind of go here. If we wanted to import these 3 products, we click on these, and then you can go to import list check. And so you can just see these, you can select them, and then you just push to Shopify and it pushes to Shopify. The process of finding specific products and getting them into your Shopify store is just really simple with DSers. Additionally, the process of pushing those orders directly to AliExpress and placing the order couldn't be simpler. And then they have additional pricing rules that make it easier for you to dynamically price your products on your Shopify store. So they have a lot of features to make finding suppliers and listing on your store and fulfilling those orders pretty easy, especially if you want to have access to all of the AliExpress suppliers. For CJ Dropshipping, the navigation is a little bit more confusing. You can select by warehouse, but they don't have the same type of sorting defined order volume. The interface of how you set your product in your store is a little bit more clunky. The DSers app is definitely more intuitive for quickly finding products and getting them into your store and getting the orders back and pushing them through to AliExpress, especially if you want the largest product selection. So the app user experience goes to DSers. So that's it. Which one is the best? Really, it's a toss-up, and it depends on what you're looking for in building your brand. If you're somewhat familiar with dropshipping, you want to have access to all of the suppliers on AliExpress, and you want to take advantage of every bit of margin as you possibly can, then the DSers app is for you. If you want to personalize your brand at all, you want the most reliable shipping experiences, and you don't mind paying a little bit for that, and you want a little bit of an easier path in getting up and going with dropshipping, then CJ Dropshipping is the platform for you. If this video was helpful for you, leave a like, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.